So we're working on this challenge. It says, what's the main difference the programmer needs to be aware of when working with .sort and reverse methods compared to the sorted and reverse functions? First option, the sorted and reverse functions sort and revert the lists in place, whereas the .sort and .reverse will return a new sorted list and a new reversed list. That doesn't seem right to me. Right? Typically, when I use the sorted function, I have to assign it to a variable, right? That means that it's probably not doing it in place. It's probably returning something that I'm then assigning to a variable. So let's look at the next option. The sorted and reverse functions return a list that is sorted and a new list that is reversed. And the dot sort and reverse return a new sorted list and a new reversed list. Right? So dot sort and dot reverse, I don't typically assign those to a new variable, right? Those typically do work in place, so this one doesn't seem right to me either. There's no difference between them. Now, I know that's not the case. They're definitely different. And then our last option says the sorted function returns a new list that is sorted. The reversed function returns an iterator object of the original list in reversed order. That's true. And then the dot sort and dot reverse methods sort and reverse the lists in place. They don't create a new list. That's also true. This last option is the one I'm looking for. I can go ahead and check that answer and see that it's correct.